What if you had total visibility inside your machine? What if you had the power to look in every piece of equipment you have, view their day-to-day productivity, and get ahead of all servicing needs? What if you had that level of control? You do. We build our machines with innovative Doosan hardware that monitors your equipment every second of every day. It combines the power of GPS technology with advanced sensors installed throughout your machine, giving you X-ray vision and maintenance proactivity. You can access all this data at any time on the DoosanCONNECT website or mobile app, backed up by cellular and satellite communications, so you can keep an eye on your tools from the most remote locations. And through the DoosanCONNECT My Alarm system, you can customize your notifications and machine reports completely from their channel and scope to the days and times you receive them. With one click, view everything inside your fleet before it's a problem. Critical diagnostic codes, maintenance alerts, oil pressure, operating temperature, current and past locations on site, and operator habits. With fuel and uptime data, know where to place each of your machines for maximum profit. Using operator habits, train your team perfectly to maximize productivity. With machine utilization archives, know how to give pinpoint accurate job estimates from the start. Using power trend data, save fuel and save money. And with GPS tracking and geofencing, know exactly where your machines are and prevent theft. Better still, your local Doosan dealer has access to DoosanCONNECT and can remotely read live data feeds from specific machine parts, adding valuable diagnostic manpower and insight to your team. Because no one knows you and your needs like the dealer who backs you up. You hold the power to anticipate every obstacle before it happens. You can tap into all the greedy details on your entire fleet. You could watch your machines work from the inside, and you can be on site wherever you are. Complete visibility into your machines helps you know where time and money can be saved. With DoosanCONNECT, it's easy to see inside your business, because you're seeing inside your most powerful tools.